Niklas, and I'm the host of this evening. I'm not really an important person, but because we are celebrating something entirely different tonight than me or any kind of personal ambition than any of us might have. We are celebrating Bitcoin.
Yes!
Yeah! I have three great loves in my life. The most recent are my beautiful children. A little further away and older is my wife, which I treasure. But my oldest love is Bitcoin. In 2010, I was a software architect. I was working in Denmark, and a white paper dropped in on my desk, and I read it. And I never in my life saw anything so beautiful. Not just from a software engineering aspect, it was revolutionary, but also for the implications that it had. So many of the bad things in the world, almost all of the large disasters that we have, come from centralization and corruption of power. Yes. And nothing is more powerful than money and private property. And without it, we have no freedom. And here for the first time I saw something that actually potentially could make a decentralized digital currency as solid or even more solid than gold, promising personal freedom, promising privacy, promising sovereignty for the individual. And I fell completely in love.
Oh my God.
And when we are in love, we do stupid things. So I quit my job. I bought a one-way plane ticket to Switzerland because I wanted to work with Bitcoin. There were no companies, and you're crazy if you make a company in Denmark. So I went here and founded what would become the first cryptocurrency company in Switzerland. It's many years ago. Not because I thought that I would one day get rich and have a fancy car and end in a castle, which incidentally I did, but that was never the plan. I wanted to make a small contribution to promoting something that I think will have value for generations and put in place personal liberty that cannot be assaulted by all the would-be dictators and bureaucrats out there who want nothing more than to rule your lives and take your money and your freedom away. That will now be impossible.
Yes!